Hi, I am Azhar Ahmed, and we will study the subject of physics. Topic is electrical circuits. You know that circuits are used in our home wiring when we connect lights, fans, and other appliances used in our homes. These all are connected through electrical wires. There are small circuits inside the computer system, inside a mobile phone, in a LED TV or LCD, even in a washing machine or an oven in kitchen. Circuits are there which are a circuit is a combination of wires which are connected in such a way that electricity pass through them. Here are I will show you some circuits which will help you to understand the idea that what is the circuit look like. Then I will show you also the diagrams that how a circuit is drawn on a paper, and different symbols are used to draw the wires, resistors, switches, cell or battery, and these are represented through different symbols which are used in physics. Everybody has seen an electric panel in houses where number of wires are there and switches are connected to those wires. These wires can be used to control different bulbs, and there are circuits which can be controlled through mobile phones. You can see that circuit can be designed on a breadboard having wires, ICs, capacitors, etc. Let's have a look on the figure which is showing you symbols of different components used in circuits. Open switch, closed switch, cell, battery, diode, resistor, variable resistor, lamp, fuse, ammeter. This is the basic diagram of a circuit having switch, resistor, diode, and a battery. You can see that a wire is connected through these. When electricity passes through the cell, one end of the cell to the wire, it lightens the bulb or the device which is connected. You can see in the figure that one bulb is connected and can be connected one time, or two bulbs or more than two bulbs or devices can be connected, which and when electricity passes through them, it lightens the bulb. Let's have a look at the definition of electric circuit. A closed loop through which electric current can flow is known as electric circuit, having wire, switch, and battery or any other device. The system in which electric current can flow from source to load through one path and after delivering energy at load. You can see some more detailed information about a circuit and a definition that what a circuit look like and how it can be elaborated from the exam point of view. You can go through these lines which will help you to elaborate and define the circuit. You have seen that a circuit is any closed loop of wires through which electricity can pass. Now have a look at the types of circuits. According to the design, there are two types of circuits: series circuit and parallel circuit. If there is only one wire and multiple devices are connected through that wire, and there is only one path for the flow of electricity, this such type of circuit is known as series circuit. And if there are multiple wires through which different devices are connected and multiple paths for the flow of current, then such type of circuit is known as parallel circuit. Similarly, there are different methods to calculate the voltage, current, and resistance in a series circuit or in a parallel circuit. So let's have a look on the design of series circuit and parallel circuit, which will help you to understand that what is the difference between series circuit and a parallel circuit. You can see there are two diagrams showing two different circuits. In series circuit, there is only one path and two bulbs are connected with the one single wire. In other circuit, there are two different wires which are connected through two different bulbs, and there are two different paths through which electricity is passing. In a series circuit, the value of current remains same because there is only one wire through which current or electricity is flowing. So the current provided is 2 ampere, and you can see that through all three resistors R1, R2 and R3, value of current remains 2 ampere. In a circuit, the letter V denotes the voltage, letter I for current, and letter R for resistance. You can see in this diagram that V1, V2 and V3 are voltages across three resistors R1, R2 and R3, and current is denoted with the letter I1. Now there are certain rules for series circuit. As I told you, voltage is different from all the resistances in a series circuit, so the total voltage in a series circuit will be equals to the sum of individual voltages, while current remains same, and the total resistance is the sum of individual resistances, as you can see. Vt is the total voltage, which is the sum of individual voltages V1 plus V2 plus V3, as many devices or resistances are in a series circuit. Total current in a series circuit remains same. Therefore, it is shown here IT is equals to I1 is equals to I2 is equals to I3. Similarly, the total resistance in a series circuit is equals to the sum of individual resistances. Now, parallel circuit. Parallel circuits is a circuit in which there are different paths for the flow of electricity through each component. You can see there are different paths and value of current is different through each path. Parallel circuit can easily be designed by just adding a piece of wire. Extending a parallel circuit is so easy that just by adding a piece of wire and a component, you can extend parallel circuit. Now there are certain rules for parallel circuit. The voltage across each component in a parallel circuit remains same. As you can see, Vt is equals to V1 is equals to V2 is equals to V3 as many components are there. While current is the sum of individual currents across each component, as you can see, IT is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3, or as many paths of current are there. The total resistance in a parallel circuit is the sum of reciprocal of each resistances. The total resistance formula 1 upon RT is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3.